College football, the fans are way more passionate, and there's so many of them. If you go to a college football game, the stadium is packed. People are painting their faces. It could be freezing, like 0 degrees, and you got people that are just like shirtless with all painted up, and they're going out there and they're doing whatever it takes to be able to represent their team, to be able to be there, right? Go to their houses, go to rural America, go to somewhere like Oklahoma or whatever, and you're going to see the USA flag, and you're going to see the college sports team flag. The college football team flag is going to be right there in their yard. Like here, the United States and the Sooners, the Oklahoma Sooners, right? Boom, it's right there. But if you go to any other state, you're not going to see a Sooners flag anywhere. You're not going to see Sooners anything. But those people in that pocket are super hyper passionate. So if you just target like college football, then the problem is that you're going to get a Sooners fan. And then if you promoted another team, that Sooners fan is not really going to be as excited. And plus the Oklahoma Sooners have certain colors. So what you want to do is you want to get good at understanding when you micro niche down. If I want to target people in Oklahoma that are Sooners fans, and I could basically, they got like burgundy as a color, right? I could look it up in a second if I need to, but they got like burgundy. In fact, I'll do it in the background. I don't think I even need to share my screen. Let me just do a quick Google search and just leave it on the background. But let's just type in Oklahoma. Look, it's the first thing that comes up. Oklahoma Sooners football team. It's the first thing. It's like the most searched thing anywhere, right? So we're just going to leave that as the background. So you kind of see it's got like red colors. And if you look at any of the audience, it's like everybody in the audience is just wearing red, right? Then it's kind of like, it's a specific type of red, right? It's like not a complete red.